Today we will open the owl from Young Living.
Okay.
Wow!
What's inside your box?
Yeah, this is
Nothing else.
What do you have? Take it out.
Okay.
You get the things inside.
Get all the way
Show
the
it to
ball.
them.
This
Yeah.
is what's inside.
Oh, there's more. Show it.
Here's the little Oilers starter kit. We will unbox it later. Here's some magazines getting started with essential oils. Product guide, of course, in case you're new to Young Living. And essential oils for cooking, I think. I don't know. Alright, let's go open it.
I announce a competition. Anyone who finds and brings me the gift will get their wish granted. If you bring it to me first,
You know.
good luck and Godspeed. I get
The feather oil diffuser.
What's this, Julia?
your potion is the final piece
Owl.
you need to bring heaven.
The feather the oil. It's owl.
What's in here? Wiring. Of course. Okay.
Careful.
I think this is the owl diffuser or something.
I don't want your help. I never wanted you on this trip.
Look at
I never
this.
even wanted you in my life.
Okay. Wait.
Never be my brother.
Papalitin na lang niya.
Okay, I got the box cutter.
It's open.
Okay, here's the owl. Now we will open this.
Wait there. I will open.
Ako na.
Okay. Okay na yun.
Okay guys, here it is.
Okay lang yan.
Little Oilers. Okay, let's go see what's inside of it.
Okay.
Okay, the DHL is here now.
Wow. Yeah.
Perfect timing. Okay.
Perfect timing. He's unboxing the other boxes yesterday.
Okay.
Here is Roman Victor. See? DHL. You're the regular customer of DHL now? Yeah. Next week I have a package also.
Okay, here is the...
What's your QID? Ano sabi mo lang yung number? Sabi mo?
Okay, here is the little Oilers. We will open it right now.
Okay.
First off, we got Avi, little kid center.
Okay.
Next, we got Sleepy Eyes for sleeping. Next is Nipple Sneeze. with this. And yummy tummy ties, yeah. Here's where it comes with. 2 of these. Weird things. Roller something.
Roller glider.
Roller glider or whatever. Yeah. Here now we will get unboxing to the other one that just came. I think it's the oils.
I just like. No. This one is for this one. Huh? Okay.
Alright. So yes, I needed some oil here.
Give it kuya. Oh, wait.
Alright. We got some bubble wrap. We don't need this. I wonder what's inside of here. We got 3 of these. 1 little small one. We will get unboxing into this later. Here's the bottle cap oils with 132 oils that's named. Okay. I think this is the oils. But how are we supposed to get into it? First off, we got lemongrass. Next, we got chatterwood.
Cedarwood.
Cedarwood. Next, we got Melrose. Okay, interesting one. Ginger. That's gonna be. We got orange, my brother's favorite.
It's Jandel's favorite now.
Thank you.
Winter green.
Yeah, that's my order. And the ginger.
This is our only chance.
And 1 lemongrass.
And another lemongrass. I think. Yeah,
Yeah.
we got 2 lemongrass.
That's for you.
The
That's not
other
for you.
one for Tita, the other one.
The
Hello.
other one's for my tita.
And this one also for the.
And the winter green. I ordered winter green. Yeah.
Yeah, for my tita. And that is all for it.
Okay.
Here is all of the oils if you want to see them.
Well, you promote this one, see? Winter green is for
Winter green.
for the body pain
For
also.
body pain, yes.
For massage.
And the owl there. Bye.